Thank you, everybody. Today we see remaining part of the first lecture, second part, say third part. Sophie turned off Broadway. It seemed uh, it seemed that his route to the coveted island was not to be an easy one. Some other way of entering the as a limbo must be as devised. So there is the meaning of ignoble, dishonorable, as a coveted, greatly desired, and limbo as a border place between heaven and hell. At a corner of 6th Avenue, electric lights and cunningly displayed wares behind plate glass made a shop window attractive. Sophie took a stone and dashed it through the glass. Sophie took a stone and dashed it through the glass. So people came running round the corner. People came running round the corner, and a policeman in the lead. And Soapy stood still with his hand in his pockets and smiled at the sights of brass buttons. So, where is the man that done that? Inquired the officer as agitatedly. Don't you think that I might have had something to do with it? Said Soapy. So, with a friendly voice, as one greets good fortune, the policeman refused to accept. The policeman refused to accept Soapy even as a clue. Men who smash windows do not remain to chat with the police. They ask to their heels. The policeman saw a man halfway down the block running to catch a car. So, with drawn club, he joined in the pursuit. Sophie, with disgust in his heart, so he drifted along twice unsuccessful. He drifted along twice unsuccessful. So first policeman has refused and then he says accept as a soapy even as a clue. He gave as a clue, but policeman first refused to accept Sophie one as a clue. Men who smash windows do not remain to chat with the police. Do not remain to the chat with the police. So they take to their heels. The policeman saw a man halfway down the block running to catch a car with drawn club. He joined in the pursuit. Sophie, with disgust in his heart, as it drifted along twice unsuccessful. On the opposite side of the street was a restaurant of no great pretensions. It catered to large as appetites and modest pursuits. So it catered to large appetites and modest purses. So its crockery and atmosphere were thick, its soup and as an aperitif into this place. So he betook himself without challenge. Betook himself without challenge at a table he sat and consumed as a beef stick. At a table he sat and consumed beef stick, flapjacks, so duff nuts and pie. And then he told the waiter the fact that the mintest coin and himself were total strangers. The mintest coin and himself were total strangers. On the page on this passage, in this passage we can see opposite side of the street. For example, as we see there was a restaurant of no grade as a pretensions. It called as it catered to large appetites and modest purses, but its crockery and atmosphere were thick. But its crockery and atmosphere were thick, its soup and napery thin. Into this place, Sophie betook himself without challenge. At a table, he sat and consumed beefsteak as a flapjacks, so duff nuts and pie. And then he told the waiter the fact that the minted coin and himself were total stranger. Next passage. Now get busy and call a cop. Now get busy and call a cop, said Sophie. And don't keep a gentleman waiting. And don't keep gentleman waiting. Here there are dialogues between as a Sophie says, now get busy, call a cop, and don't keep a gentleman waiting. No coke for you, said the waiter. Waiter says, no coke for you, with a voice like as the butter cakes, and I like cherry in the as a manthan as cocktail. Baga cocktail. So here corn. So neatly opposed. For example, when the waiter said, no coke for you, no coke for you, with a voice like as a butter cake, and I like the cherry in the zaman manan. So cocktail. Manthan as a cocktail. Hey corn. Neatly upon his left ear on the colors pavement. So two waiters pitched a Soapy. He arose and joined by as. He arose as a joined by as a colors. He says as a very hard. He says as a very hard as a neatly upon his left ear on the as a colors pavement. Two waiter pitched a Soapy. He arose joint by joint as a, a carpenter's rule opened and dusted his clothes. A carpenter rule opens and dusted his clothes. Arrest seemed now Arrest seemed now but an elusive dream. But an elusive dream. Elusive. Elusive dream. So, elusive, the meaning of elusive is difficult to find, catch, or achieve. Difficult to find, to catch, or achieve. The island seemed very far away, and a policeman who stood before a drugstore doors away laughed and walked down the street. Two doors away laughed and walked down the street. Soapy was seized with a sudden fear that Soapy was seized with a sudden fear that some some dreadful enchantment had rendered rendered him as immune to arrest. So he was in a state of panic. He was in a state of panic, and when he came upon another policeman, when he came upon another policeman as a longing grandly in front of as a glittering theater, he caught at the he caught at the immediate straw of disorderly and the conduct. On the sidewalk, Soapy began to yell drunken as a gibberish at the top of his harsh voice. He danced, howled, raved, and otherwise as the disturbed the skies. The policeman merely twirled the meaning of twirl, twirled, turned something quickly as round and round. Turned something quickly as round and round his club, turned his back to Soapy and remarked to a citizen. Turned his back to Soapy and remarked to a citizen. It is one of them, as a yellow. Lads' celebration the goose eggs they used to Hartford College, noisy but no harm. We have instructions to let them be. So disconsolate, D-I-D-I, CONSOLATE, DISCONSOLATE, disconsolate as very unhappy, disconsolate. For example, we have no only as a sad, unhappy, but there are synonymous words and other words like as a disconsolate. So you know about the meaning of disconsolate when there is a passage. Give the meaning from the same meaning from your passage. Write down your notebook. So disconsolate as a very unhappy. Sophie stopped his unavailing racket. Soapy stopped his unavailing racket. Would never a policeman lay hands on him? In his fancy, the island seemed an unattainable as Arcadia. Unattainable as Arcadia, 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 called as a mountains district in as a Peloponnese of southern Greece in poetic fantasy. It represents a pastoral paradise. It represents a pastoral paradise. Arcadia means a mountain district in the as a Peloponnese of southern Greece in poetic fantasy. It represents pastoral paradise. He, in his fancy, the island seemed an attainable Arcadia. He buttoned his thin coat against the chilling wind. In a cigar store, he saw a well dressed man as lighting a cigar at the swinging light. He had set his silk umbrella. He had set his silk umbrella by the door on entering. Soapy stepped inside, grabbed the umbrella, and squanted off its as a slowly sauntered off with it slowly. Saun Yes, Auntred. When I give example the meaning of the same words, you write down your notebook. When you listen any lesson of English, then you have take your notebook and pen with you and write down difficult words and their meaning for your understanding. Okay, so first you take your notebook, textbook and pen with you and you write down, you notes whatever that is the possible, that is the important. Okay, so the man and the cigar light followed as hastily. My umbrella, he said sternly. Oh, is it smeared soapy? It is smeared soapy. Yes, N double E R E D. Yes, N double E R E D. Sneered. The meaning of sneered is gave a contemptuous or mocking smile, remark, or tone. Gave a contemptuous or mocking smile, remark, or tone of which slowly the man at the cigar light followed as hostilely. The man at the cigar light followed hastily. My umbrella, he said sternly. My umbrella said sternly. 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 Oh, is it? Oh, is it? Sneered Soapy, adding insult to petty as larcency. Well, स्नियर्ड यस डबल एन ई आर ई डी स्नियर्ड आपण पाहिलेला आहे बघा. आता लार्सेन्सी, थेफ्ट ऑफ पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी, थेफ्ट ऑफ पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टी. Well, why don't you call a policeman? Why don't you call a policeman? I took it. Your umbrella, why don't you call a cop? Your umbrella, why don't you call a cop? There stands one on the corner. There stands one on the corner. The umbrella owner slowed his face. The umbrella owner slowed his steps. Soapy did likewise with as premonition that luck would again run against him. The policeman eyed too curiously. Of course, premonition, the meaning of premonition is a strong feeling. Premonition, a strong feeling that something is about to happen. A strong feeling that is something is about to happen, especially something unpleasant. Especially something unpleasant, so that luck would again run against him. The policeman eyed at the two curiously. Of course, said the umbrella man. Of course, said the umbrella man. Well, you know how these mistakes occur. If it is your umbrella, how?